Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So you guys must be wondering why am I sitting with a turban like this, right? So my hair is all wet and as promised, I will be reviewing this baby out here for you guys. So I posted a poll on Instagram asking whether you guys would be interested for a review of this blow brush by Alan Truman. I hope you guys can see it, and I wanted to know whether you guys are actually interested in seeing a full-on review for this product. So I would like to show you how it works and how I like to use it to style my hair. So this will be my second time using the product. I didn't want to do a first time review because I do not really believe in first impressions. Like once you get the product, you need to get the hang of it, like how to use it, how the mechanism works. So I used it once and this will be my second time with this product, and I thought why not do it in front of you guys so that you guys can decide whether to go ahead and purchase this product or not. Yeah, if you're interested, let's get started. So this is how this product looks. I love the look and feel of this product, especially the matte body and the color. It comes in a couple of different colors, like there's a cyan, there's a sky blue, there was a purple, and I guess there was a grey also if I'm not wrong. And I was like, if I'm getting this, it has to be in this pink color, and it was always sold out. So I waited for a month or so, and then my husband gifted me this for my birthday, and I was so happy and I wanted to share this with you guys. So this is like a hairbrush and a blow dryer in one single package, to be honest. And this is how the mechanism works. It blows out hot air from these holes out here, and these brushes work as your hairbrush, which smoothens your hair. And like your traditional hair dryer, this comes with 3 different settings of low, medium and high, and you can twist it. You have to plug it in first, and then you need to twist it, and you just need to comb through. It can't get easier than this, isn't it guys? So let's get started. Let's see how it works. So I've opened my hair and I'll be taking a little bit of serum on my palms, and I'll spread it across my hair. Make sure you get rid of all the tangles before you get started, and then make a section from between. So if I have just 10 minutes to get ready, I just want to see whether this product works out or not. So let's put this baby to test. I'm putting it in the high setting because my hair is wet. So this is how my hair looks, you guys, and I simply love how smooth and voluminous it looks. And I got this look in 10 minutes max. The pros and the cons. So the first thing has to be, it's very easy to use, you guys. It's very easy. Like you just need to plug it in and twist it on the settings that you want, and you just need to comb through. Like, can it get easier than this? And there are a couple of concerns also, like it is pretty bulky, to be honest, and like if I'm at home, I don't mind keeping it or storing it in my cupboard. However, if I'm traveling, it becomes a bit of a concern for me. Like, had this been an open like a detachable thing or something like that, then it would have been great. Like storing this thing in my bag will take a lot of space. So this is like the size, almost the size of my arm. So this is quite big. So that has to be one of the cons. Apart from that, I could not find any cons till now, and it also makes a little bit of noise, but ऐसा नहीं है कि you cannot bear it. It is like your traditional hair dryer. The sound would be something like that, and it is pretty much bearable. However, like if you have a baby or a child at home, that might be a little bit of a concern. But apart from that, I am in love with this product, you guys. Those were the pros and cons of the blow brush. I hope my review was helpful to you guys, and it'll help you decide whether to purchase this product or not. If you have any further queries, you can DM me on my Instagram handle, Sweetie Roy Official. I'm pretty active on Instagram, or you can put it below in the comments. And I'll be more than happy to address any concerns that you might have. Thank you very much, you guys. I'll be back soon with yet another video. Please subscribe to support my channel and hit on the bell button so that you do not miss any notification from my channel. Thank you. See you again. Bye-bye.